What's up, guys? We are on, I don't even know what day it is. What is it, Friday?
It is Friday.
It's Friday. Friday the 3rd of August. We don't need that on there. I was using that for the rain yesterday. We're in Dollywood. We're in Dollywood for the day with the fam jam. And we're walking around, riding some rides, having some fun. So excited to show you guys what Dollywood's all about. If you're new to the channel, welcome, welcome. Glad to have you. Hopefully we don't lose you guys too soon. If you haven't checked out some of our other videos, feel free to check them out. If you're here for Dollywood, well, we're gonna show you what Dollywood has to offer. Let's get it. Alright guys, the best ride here is that ride right there, Wild Eagle. Super fun. Lots of flips, turns, super fast. Can't ask for anything more. Make sure you go check it out. Alright, so a little pro tip for you. They have fireworks every night at 9:30, okay, on the dot. And this is the best area to sit. It's called the Lodge. It's also called the, well, the building's the Lodge, but it's called the Plaza area. But there's seating over here you can see. You can sit down over here. There's benches. I don't want to spend too much, make y'all sick, but there's benches. Just a really good area to the fireworks, and they will launch right up there, right over that archway. So we're on the side of the park that we haven't really been to. So just know, little tip, it's completely circular. So when you first get in the park, if you want to go straight towards the rides, where do you go, Kels?
Go left.
Go left.
All the rides are basically on the left.
Yes, if you want more kiddie stuff and you got kids that you're trying to shows, where do you go?
Right.
You go right. So nice little insider tip for you. This area is all the fun carnival rides. If you want to try and win something. County Fair. Alright, so now we're going to head to the log, or not the log flume. We're going to go on the River Rapids ride. Kids are going to get some cotton candy, then we're probably calling it a day. I think some other people want to go to the water park, but I've already showed you all that, so. Just now, all the roller coasters, left side of the park, more kid-friendly, right side of the park. country fair. There's a bunch of shows. I showed you some of that stuff. So it's a blast, a lot of fun. It's very family friendly, very clean. They do a great job with all that. Alright people, Dollywood's awesome. We love you. Big like on this video. Boom. If you haven't subscribed, come on, join the team. The funnest crew on the tube. We'll see you guys in the next journey. Peace.